Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to make your blog posts normal width on WordPress blocksy. Okay, in a previous video, we've made our blog post narrow width and wide width or full width. And in this video, we're going to show you how to bring it all back to normal or normal looking using the WordPress customizer. Let's go ahead and click on Customize and open up the WordPress customizer. Okay, so we have our preview here and we have our settings over here on the left-hand side. Let's scroll down to post types, click on single post, and of the four options, we have left sidebar, right sidebar, narrow width, and normal width, right? But this is still a bit too wide for us. Now let's go down here and we can choose boxed, and that squishes things down a bit, and that should be fine. Let's go ahead and change the design of this and make it a bit gray, just so it's a bit easier to see. And what else can we do? You can also opt to make it just plain wide. But let's have boxed here just so we can emphasize the normal width. And we can go up to the top here under General Options. And under Layout, these three things here are global settings. So keep in mind that if you mess with any of these, you're going to mess around with your home page, your About page, and everything outside of a blog post. But just for this video, we're going to go ahead and show you what you can do with the global settings. You can make it as wide or as narrow as you possibly could, given the constraints, right? And we can also change the vertical spacing here. We can also change the content edge spacing, right? We can make it super narrow. We can make it super wide. 3 or 4 is a good value for that. Narrow container width, don't worry about this since we're using the normal or wide one. And for wide alignment offset, it really depends on whether or not you have elements that have a wide alignment option. So let's go ahead and click on this, and you can see nothing really changes with our site. But now we have it on a normal width rather than full or too narrow. So let's go ahead and click on Publish and save our changes and check out the result. Okay, so here we have our super wide blog post. Let's reload our post, and you can see we've now boxed it in, and it's a much more manageable normal width for reading. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.